Hi everyone, it's me Ross, and today's video will be again about HarmonyOS and especially HarmonyOS Next. Okay guys, in my previous video I show you how you can install Google applications or any applications which are not currently available in this app gallery, which to be honest is not very rich in terms of applications. That's why we need that application Easy Abroad, and with it we can install all the Google services that we need. Yes, probably it won't work perfect, notifications will not be here on time, but it is something. Keep in mind that HarmonyOS Next is meant to be used only in China at that moment, and it is very different from anything else right now on the market, iOS and Android. That's why we are happy that we have, because this is you can see it is in folder Easy Abroad. Already speak about this, you can find my video here, but this is some kind of virtual machine. But today I will show you how you can install APKs. This is something big. You can install APKs again in virtual machine, but it is something very important because not every application is available here in that Easy Abroad. This will be available thanks to this application, Droi Tong. Let me explain. Okay guys, same way as this Easy Abroad, because it will be very hard to find this application in Huawei app gallery. So first, to start, it's always better to make a screenshot on your screen from my video, and if you don't have China keyboard available, just copy these symbols from the screenshot like I do. How you can search that? You can just hold two fingers if you are using HarmonyOS Next, of course, because this video is only for HarmonyOS Next. Hold two fingers on the screen, the AI will kick in, and now you can just select that and tap copy. Now you copy the text and you can just go in app gallery and search for that application. Paste it here and tap search. Now it will be available. Other way, you can find it in tools section, which is if you scroll down you will find this category, and here you can find tools. This should be a tools section and you should find it here, but believe me, it's not easy and probably you will not find it. That's why I'm showing you the easiest way, and this is just to copy these letters, paste it here and search for the app. This is it, and just install it. Now when you install the application, if you open it, it will collaborate with Easy Abroad, and that means all the files which you download will be available here too, because you know already from my previous video that the main app gallery is not available here. And here you have different applications. For example, here is Xiaomi Home. If you have your cleaning robot, your camera and all other products from Xiaomi, you can directly install it from here, and you have a lot more applications to install, also Tesla application and so on, which are currently not available in Easy Abroad, but they are here in this Droi Tong. But the most important, if you go here, this is different sections for the applications and so on, but if you go in Meetup, if you go in file transfer, all the files, it will share the same files with Easy Abroad. So if you already have a downloaded files like these APKs here, but I will even go in the official browser. This is a Niagara launcher. Let's tap it here. We need APK, not APK bundle. And let's just hit download. Download anyway. Now download is complete. So when it's ready, just go here in that Droi Tong application. You can do the same for every application you want. Now just go in Meetup, file transfer, file. If you can't see it here because we just downloaded it from official HarmonyOS Next browser, you need to tap here on the plus sign, select that the files and just browse for them. Go in my phone, download, browser, and here it is. Just tap on it, tap down, and it will be transferred here inside this Droi Tong and Easy Abroad. They will share the same files. Let me just show you. I will open that Easy Abroad, go in that tab, file browser, files, and you can see again it is here. Now just tap here and you need to select install, because if you go in Easy Abroad and tap on that, you need to give it permissions and you will receive that can't install. This is for Easy Abroad, but let's go in Droi Tong and hit install. You have a app not filling was found for this application, but if you tap here in view risks and accept the risk and select install anyway, now it is completely installed and we have a separate launcher. Let's just open it. Agree and continue. Select your favorite applications. You can select from here applications which I'm currently installed in Easy Abroad, and they will appear here in that Niagara launcher. You can see how it is performing, and I just install other applications too, like the launcher, and we can open it now. You can see we have even folders with all my Google applications. If I open YouTube launcher, would like to open YouTube, just hit OK, and you can see my YouTube is opened and it is with premium account. And you can see my friend Velian from Velian Speaks Tech just got his S25 Ultra and we are waiting for his reviews. I won't buy this device for now because it's too expensive for what it is. So it is perfectly working. Let's open launcher. You have here different applications. All the apps are here, and if you swipe up, all the applications installed from Easy Abroad will be here. That's how you can install applications. Another application, device info. I just want to install that application in my Huawei Mate just to check how the device will be detected. Let's open the app, and here is the dashboard. So let's go to device. It is detected as Huawei device, of course, and here we have a Kirin 9020, which is the exact model of the CPU. Device type, permission needed. Let's grant a permission. Alright, let's tap on system, and it is detected as Android 12 device, but maybe, just maybe, this is because we are using virtual machine, which virtual machine is creating a Android 12 environment. That's why I'm thinking this device is detected as Android 12 device, and probably this is HarmonyOS Next, which is nothing related with Android, but at that moment I just cannot give you the exact information about this. You can see security level is L3 with DRM. Let's check the CPU. It is a Kirin CPU architecture, 64-bit of course, and everything is written here, the battery, and that's it, guys. That's how you can install APKs in HarmonyOS Next. This was a quick video, but this is everything I want to tell you about today's device. So if you like this video and this video helps you somehow, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Have a nice day.